how to filter all comments on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to filter all comments on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile and click these three lines in the top corner, settings and privacy, and then privacy, and here we'll find comments. Just click on it and scroll down until you find this one, filter all comments. Now just turn it on, and as you see, filter all comments have been turned on. And that's how to turn on filter all comments on TikTok. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.